Time check, 6:44 PM. Ayan, back terrace muna tayo. Back terrace. Update lang sa lighting lights. You already have the strip light. Ayan. Back and forth. Ayan. Tatay's room. Strip light lang muna tayo. Let's go to all of the drop down. I think this one doesn't have one yet. Oh, meron din pala. Ayan. Okay. Bounce room. Where's the lighting? No. Yun. Okay. Then we have living area. Then that's the inside, then the outside. Liwanag kaagad. Okay. Kuya Itoy's room. Okay. Then we have karaoke room. Then we have master bedroom, the music room. Okay. Then the main bedroom. Yan. Walang ilaw. Saan eh? Yun. Let's go to the terrace. Warm white. All the way to the back. Let's see the inside. We really need a curtain. Yeah. At master bedroom po, what's left to be tiles is the bathroom. Because we're still waiting for the other stuff to be filled in. This post po, I have already 60 by 120 tiles. Sink area, they left this because of the pipe is they need to put it down more on the wall. Tomorrow po, it will be fixed. Then this side tomorrow also will be filled with that tiles po, 60 by 120. Then ayan, you have also strip light here. The other part needs to be installed pa po. Ayan po. Ayan. And another one need to be filled with tiles is the kitchen area po. Ayan. Okay, let's go outside. Let's open the lights. Outside terrace of the master bedroom. And let's open the lights here. Master bedroom part. Ayun. The barco is here. Okay. Side. Yan. Terrace. And libtangin part. There it is po. Lumiwanag na naman sa libtangin. Yeah. Earlier po, somebody visit the house. They are from Pange. They are just visiting to look for the paints and also the mural in front. They are just asking who made it. Ayan po. Nanay Alice Turdem po. Ayan. Let's go at the back. Ayan po, back area. Liwanag.
Kailangan bun.
Ayan na po. Ayan po. And also I have a comment from our worker Romnick. Our house daw po, when all the lights are open, looks like a boat or a ship from afar. Ayan. From the waiting shed, it's been seen already that it looked like a big ship. Ayan po. Ayan po. Babush.